Hi, this is Keith with Tac Solutions, and I'm here to talk about one of our great new products. It's our stainless steel V-block for the Thompson Center TCR22 rifles. What that V-block allows you to do is go ahead and upgrade your barrel on your TCR22 while keeping it tight in the receiver. Of course, we recommend our lightweight and accurate X-ring barrel series for the TCR22. To upgrade your rifle, the first thing you want to do is remove the magazine and check and make sure the rifle is clear of any ammunition. After the rifle's been cleared, you can go ahead and loosen the action screw, center the safety, and pull up on the barrel to remove the rifle from the stock. I recommend locking the bolt back to keep it out of the way before loosening the V-block screws. Just use an Allen wrench to loosen the V-block screws. Once the V-block screws have been completely loosened, the screws in the V-block can now be pulled off the rifle, and the barrel can now be removed from the receiver. Your TacSol Solutions barrel can now be inserted. If you find it to be a little tight, some light sanding on the shank will allow you to insert it into the receiver. Once your barrel is inserted, make sure that the extractor on the bolt is lined up with the extractor cut on the barrel. Now that the barrel has been lined up, we can now insert the stainless steel TCR22 V-block and screws. Tighten the screws down evenly. Tighten the screws down until they're snug. We recommend about 12 to 15 inch-pounds for the torque spec. Now that the V-block has been securely installed on the rifle, I can now insert it into a stock. Since we've used the Tac Solutions X-ring barrel with a 920 thousandths diameter, I will need to use a different stock. The stock I'm going to use here is the Magpul Hunter X22 stock. Once the barreled action is inserted into the stock, I can now tighten the action screw. Once the action screw has been tightened, the rifle is now ready for use. Thanks for watching our video on the TCR22 stainless steel V-block. For more great products, please visit us at tacticalsol.com.